What is going on, y'all? It's gonna be a real short. Try to keep it modest for you guys. I know you guys got a lot of things to do through your day. Just want to say, got up this morning, checked through my six-figure marketing system back office. I am getting steady contacts and leads through YouTube. So I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to check out my content. If you subscribe to my channel, thank you for your subscription. And if you like the content, thank you for your likes. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that little subscription button at the bottom, that little notification bell, so you always get up-to-date information and what's going on in the online world when it comes to making money in this space. Now, I want to go over into my back office and show you how the built-in tracker lets me know where my leads are coming from. So I want to give a big shout out to Cindy. Thank you for opting into my capture page. And she came in from YouTube. So that means she watched one of my YouTube presentations, and she opted in. And I just want to congratulate her for taking that step to see what this opportunity can bring to you. The opportunity I'm talking about is the Infinity Processing System. Learn a 300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. Excuse me, guys, I got a little indigestion. I'm starting to feel a little better. I was sick, but I'm still coming every day strong to bring you guys the content and update on what's going on with the Infinity Processing System. If you haven't heard, and I'm telling you right now, Infinity Processing System, the creator Adriana Vegas has teamed up with my six-figure blueprint creator TJ Holloway to bring these two together and to add an extra income stream in the back office of Infinity Processing System. So about a couple days ago, she went live in the group introducing the 90 day to 10K challenge with this my six-figure blueprint marketing system. They do have three product levels, which is the marketing system, the library, and the resellers course. Well, it's not a course, but it's a community, so you'll be able to resell and make commissions on all three levels if you come in at the resellers club. Now, there is one-time payments. There's no payment and fees after once you join, and the commission with that, you'll be able to make $1,000 commission with the resellers club, $300 commission with the library package, and $100 commission with the marketing system. The marketing system is what I use, and I just showed you where inside the marketing system how it keeps track of all of your leads and where those leads are coming from, so you can put more attention towards what's making you the income or what's bringing you more leads daily, because leads turn into sales, sales is profits. Now, I don't want to jump all into the money because it's never really all about money, but helping you guys and learning and seeing how you can start an online business and be successful with it by utilizing training in the background and utilizing the coaching group where she goes live and she teaches you how to use attraction marketing. She teaches you how to use different tools and different strategies on how to attract clients to you in your business. If you want to be a part of that and you want ongoing guidance and you want to work with someone who's willing to work with you and give you the sugar cookie, the golden nuggets to help you actually be successful, then that is where I come in. I've been doing this for about 3 years now. When I first started, my sponsor had me the product and I never spoken with them again until it was time for them to try to sell me another product. Now, I didn't give up. I didn't quit. I didn't lay down. I got resourceful. I found resources. I put my all in all to learning marketing and how to build an online business. I reached out to others, and some was just ready to sell me their experience. And I did pay for some coaching, but I felt that coaching was not adequate. And, I spent $200 an hour. Sometimes I didn't even get that hour, and they wasn't telling me or teaching me anything, any strategies on how to build up lead generation, how to market my business. And so I went back into YouTube University. I paid for books. I paid for other courses that taught me these things that I'm like willing to teach you and show you. If you get started with me with the Infinity Processing System, just know you have a guide in hand. The link is in the bottom of the description. It's going to bring you to this capture page. Go through the capture page. Make sure you look out for my email follow-ups and my email series. When you get started with me, I'm going to be sending you emails with other trainings in the background to help you be more successful and start seeing some type of traction and gravity in your business and your online marketing. Now, I do have a pro bonus action taker. If you want to start at the $300 level, I'm going to pay for your website. There's a $39 admin fee to get your website up and going. I'm going to pay for that. If you want to get started with me. And this goes for you too, Cindy, if you're watching this video and you want to get started. I'm going to pay for that admin fee for you to get your website up and going. And I'm going to put your link into my bulk mailer, so that way you can start getting eyeballs and attention to your opportunity. That's my segment for this morning. I hope you guys have an awesome day. And if you want to get started, the link is in the bottom of the description. Reach out to me on Facebook. That also is in the bottom of the description. I'm willing to work with you. I want to talk with you. I want to get to know who you are. You get to know who I am. And let's have some success online today, tomorrow, and the day after. And I'm going to give it to you guys later with another up-to-date segment on Infinity Processing System. I'm going to be bringing you more reviews when it comes to my 6-figure blueprint and my favorite traffic source, my lead gen secret. I'll see you guys on the next one. And good morning. I'll see you guys later.